Hello friends, I am Kushagra Sharma and you are watching my YouTube channel AllTechGyan. So today we will continue our mirth tutorial series and today we will see what is alert and how we configure alert in mirth and why it is recommended to use alert in your mirth channel. So let's begin. So first of all, what is alert? So alert is a mechanism to set the notification in your mirth so that you can receive notification when something goes wrong with your channel. Suppose you uh, suppose you have error with your connection, the other server is not connecting with your merge server. In that case, you can get notification by setting up the alert. And if some messages uh, went or goes wrong in your channel, then alert can be configured so that you can be notified that some message is wrong in your channel. So in that way alert is very useful. You can promptly respond to that error. You can uh, you can correct that error by using the notification which come from alerts. So that is why alert is very useful. So now let's see how to configure alert. So you can see that in the left side panel there is an option alert. Just click on that. Now click on the new alert. Now you can name your alert. So there is no naming convention for the alert, but your name should be useful and it should reflect the uh, task of that alert. Suppose this alert for ADT channel, then you should write it in the way in such a way that it represented this message come from that ADT channel. So for suppose we can give is name ADT alert. Okay. Now this checkbox represent that if it is checked, then your alert will be enabled. If it is not checked, then your alert will be disabled. So in the disabled state, it will not send any notification to you, although your configuration is correct. But if you uncheck this, then you will not receive any alert. So be sure to click on this. And now, as you can see, there is an the error type defined, which means on which error you want to receive the notification. So it depends upon you on what type of error you want to receive the notification. So yeah, either you can go with any means you will be notified if any of these condition is satisfied. So suppose source connector error means the source is not sending the data, or there is some connectivity with the source, then alert will trigger. If some error with the destination connector, then alert will come. And if there is some error with the filter transformation message, mm, means so some transformation goes wrong, in that condition also you will receive message. If some message is filtered, then you receive message. So it depends upon you, but normally we select upon the source connector or destination connector. Normally I prefer these one, but you can select according to your need. uh, there is no limitation or there is no rule. Okay, so I have selected these two. Now you have to select the channel for which channel you want to configure the alert. As you can see, there is a red dot in front of every channel. So red dot is represent no alert is configured till now for any channel. So suppose I want to select this channel, so go edit interface channel. So just go on that channel, click on enable. So as you can see that now that dot is turned to green. That means that alert is enabled for this channel. So you can select multiple channel for these alert, for one alert. but currently I'm going with one, but you can select as many as I will. First, let's suppose I choose one more. New channel, enable. As you can see, that dot turns into green. Now the action, what type of action you want if alert triggers. So click on add. uh, you want an email, so just give your email here, abc@gmail.com. You can define your email here, and email will go to this email id. Now give subject line, so you should give subject line very carefully. For demo purpose I'm giving an ADT message failed. In the template, either you can put a constant text, or you can put the uh, some globals or local map in this template. Suppose I'm sending message ID, or I'm sending the channel name. So it depends upon you what do you want to send in the template. Normally we send the message ID, channel name, and we can customize the variable, and we you can send the channel map variable or global map variable in the template. So it depends upon you what do you want to send, but always send a message in a such a way that you can in the mailbox itself identify, it can be identified that this message belongs to uh, which message type or why it is failed. So configure that template in such a way you can send the error message also. Okay, so as you can see, every configuration is done. There is nothing much left, and it is quite simple also. So just save the alert. Okay, so it is giving me error that you have not defined the SMTP configuration. So I cannot cannot save this alert because I have not defined the SMTP configuration. So for now, just select an channel. Means you are sending this alert to a particular channel. So I am sending it to 1234. Okay. Okay. So the main purpose of the alert is to notify you, but here I didn't set up the SMTP server, so it is giving me error. So just go back in the channel, go in the settings. So here you have to you have to define the SMTP server so that an email can be sent. For demo purpose, I am just giving here Gmail SMTP4 at 080. It depends upon your server email configuration. You can define the SMTP. If you want, I can share a video also on the SMTP configuration of the mirth. For now, I'm just giving a demo address. So demo details. So abc@gmail.com. Okay. So just save these changes. Okay, I think so. Yes, save the changes. Now go into the alerts. Go for the alerts. And now here select the email ID abcd@gmail.com. Save the alert. Now you can see the error is gone. So because we have set the SMTP configuration there, so the error is gone now. One thing please make clear here, that SMTP configuration is not correct for now. But here the alert only check that SMTP configuration is there or not. It doesn't check that it is correct or not. So for now I have just given the demo information, but if you really want to send the email, then you have to give the correct information. So we have saved the alert. So now it is ready. As you can see, it is enabled also. You can disable it, you can export it, you can import it, you can delete the alert. So that's all about alert, and I think it is a very straightforward. There is nothing complex in this alert, and that's all about alert. You can ask any question in the comment section, and thank you. Please like this video and subscribe my channel so that I can share more and more video. Thank you very much.